It's not even trying to cover her mouth, according to him. In a Facebook Live post that went viral, Hargrove laid out his frustration that people are not being more cautious in the midst of this pandemic. Listen to what he said.
Hey, look, listen, man, let me tell you something. This coronavirus is for real. And we out here as public workers doing our job, trying to make an honest living, to take care of our families. But for you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic, that lets me know that some folks don't care, utterly don't give a excuse my language, but that's how I feel right about now. For a grown person in her late 50s, early 60s to stand on the bus and cough 4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth, and you know we in the midst of a crisis with this coronavirus, I am pissed the off. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did the I ain't putting the fault on nobody else. For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this serious. It's folks dying from this. Listen, it's folks dying out here.
Just 4 days later, after he made that video, Hargrove began to feel sick himself. He died Wednesday night. Detroit's mayor says his death did not have to happen.
But if you haven't seen Jason Hargrove's post on social media and Facebook, everybody in Detroit and everybody in America should watch it, because he was infected before we closed the front doors. And he tells the story of a passenger getting on the bus and coughing on him. And some of his language is graphic, but I don't know how you can watch it and not tear up. He knew his life was being put in jeopardy, even though he was going to work for the citizens of Detroit every day, by somebody who just didn't care, somebody who didn't take this seriously. And now he's gone.
Glenn Tolbert is the head of the Detroit Bus Drivers Union, joins me now. Glenn, my condolences.